everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new and just joined us, this is PC Addict 365, and today, I know I've been gone a while, but I just want to show you some of the stuff that will be coming up in my channel in the near future, and just to show you some of the stuff I picked up on Amazon Prime Day. Now Prime Day was they had some pretty good deals, but you had to kind of look around. There wasn't a lot of great stuff, but there was definitely some stuff that was a real good bargain. So let's get into it. Got kind of a clutter all over my desk here with parts and everything else. So I'm going to be doing unboxing videos, probably maybe installation videos, we'll see. But just kind of giving you an overview of a little bit of everything I picked up. So, alright, first off, right here we have, I'll do unboxing videos on all this stuff. This is just a general look at everything that I picked up, and I'll be doing videos on in the future on the channel here. So these are up here, RGB case fans. That's the first one I picked up, pack of, I believe it's 6 of them. I'll open that up a little later. Just set that off to the side. Picked up some Cinema Plus HDMI cables for the 4K TV. Eventually I'm going to be gaming with the desktop on the 4K TV, so I wanted to get a good HDMI cable. These here are DisplayPort cables, Ivanki. I believe that's 2 of them. Got one here. So a couple DisplayPort cables so you can get higher frame rates, stuff like that at 4K resolution. I'll be checking them out too, hooking them up to the desktop here. This is a USB 3.0 to SATA 3 hard drive adapter, which you may be wondering why you would want something like this, but this is actually pretty nice. Say you have an internal drive and you want to put some files on it, but you don't have room in your tower, you don't want to take apart the side case of your tower and install it and hook it up to the power SATA cables, stuff like that. All you do is you actually just plug the hard drive right into here and then hook it up with USB 3.0 and you can transfer files. Super nice, super handy. I will be doing an unboxing video and showing you that too in the near future. So stay tuned. Another thing for my laptop, which is right here, Asus ROG laptop. So when I was in Panama there for the last couple winters, about 6 months at a time or so, it's super warm down there and really humid. So when you're running, if you don't have AC, when you're running a laptop or a desktop or stuff like that, the number one problem for computers for parts failing is heat buildup. So by the end of my trip, my internal hard drive started to fail, and luckily I was able to back it up before it did, because I noticed it starting to go slower and slower and have problems. So I got that backed up, but then also brings me to this thing here. My wireless card actually started going bad on me also at the same time. Pretty sure it's from the heat, because I had three different things go bad all about the same time, or real close together anyway. But so I'll be installing a new wireless card in the laptop there. So that's another thing we'll be looking at. What else we got? We got this bugger here for my desktop computer. This is a Corsair H115i RGB all-in-one cooler. So I had the H100i in my desktop here that I use for gaming and video editing, but it's getting to be about, I believe it's about 6 years old now, maybe 6.5, and usually the lifespan on these is about 5 years. So they had a sale on this bugger over on Prime Day, so I figured I'd pick it up, install this. Is a 240 millimeter radiator, so it's got 220 millimeter fans on it, RGB lighting, a little bit of RGB on here too. But the other reason I got this is I'm planning on overclocking my CPU, my 3930K on the desktop computer. So that way I get a little more power out of it, and if I overclock it, it should be not quite up to what the 8700K, the i7 I believe it is, 8700K it'll be close to the performance of a new i7 CPU. It's going to use more power for sure to do basically the same work, but at least then I don't have to upgrade my processor quite yet. So I'm still getting a lot of life out of the 3930K. So that's what this bugger's for. We'll do an unboxing video and stuff and a look at this once it's in the case. I don't think I'm going to do an install video, but we will do unboxing and stuff for you. Alright, next up, I also picked up a, it was like Christmas in July with Prime Day. Spent too much money. But picked up a little portable 5 terabyte hard drive. This here just for recording gameplay videos on. Planning on trying to get into doing more gameplay type stuff with commentary eventually in the future, not in the near future, but eventually, so hopefully you like that. But you can plug this into your Xbox One X and you can actually record the gameplay onto this from the Xbox if you wanted. So that's kind of what this is for, and just for a spare if I need to put media files anywhere, stuff like that. Alright, next we've got a little bit of Arctic Silver. Not that you need to see this, but Arctic Silver for the CPU cooler for the Corsair H115i. These are pretty cool. Picked up a really good deal on these, great price. Normally they're over 200 and some bucks, about 220 bucks a piece. And I got them for, I'm not going to say what I got them for, but I got them for a really good deal. These are 8 terabyte internal Western Digital drives. I don't want to give you all my numbers there. But anyways, I picked up 2 of these 8 terabyte internal drives for storage drives for video files, stuff like that. Now you might be saying 8 terabytes, God, that's a lot. Well, it is a lot, but when you start working with 4K video and trying to back up 4K video and export 4K video, and it just doing drone videos and GoPro videos and YouTube videos, like all of a sudden you start using so much space, and a 3 terabyte drive actually fills up really quick. So what I'm going to do with these is take out one, maybe 2 of my 3 terabyte drives in my desktop and put in the 8 terabytes. And actually one's going to go in my media player that I got, my KD links that I got for the 4K TV, which I will be doing videos on that too. So if you guys like media players, playing 4K videos, movies, Blu-rays, HDR, stuff like that, stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel and I'll be showing you what I'm using, how to do it in the near future. So 2 of those 8 terabyte drives. Like I said, spendy Amazon Prime Day. Also for the laptop, I picked up 2 Crucial P1 1 terabyte SSD drives. Got 2 of them because when I bought this bugger, it was top of the line, but when I bought it, it only came with 256 gig SSD drive. So I got 2 of the 1 terabyte. Now I realize these are a little bit cheaper SSDs. However, depending on what you're using them for. I'm not going to be writing a ton of data to them, so I'm just going to use them for installing my programs on, probably installing video games on another one, and then pretty much not writing data constantly to them. So they should last a long time. They should, for the purpose, they should do really well. It's one of those things a guy could spend more money, probably double, triple the money, and get a better one that'll last longer. But for what I'm using it for, that would be kind of pointless in the long run. So the other thing, 256 gig MicroSD for my phone. Just got the Galaxy S10, as you all know if you watch my channel. I'll be giving an update on that in the near future also. But it just gives you more storage, everything else. Picked this little bugger up, really good price on that. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Stay tuned. I got the best, saving the best for last, so you guys better stick around. Don't go anywhere. Oops, I just did the unbagging on this one. That's alright. This here is the Blue Yeti microphone. So I'm getting this so I can do more commentary, have better audio when doing commentary on videos. gameplay videos, stuff like that. Hopefully it'll give better audio to it. Crazy story about this. This was on Prime Day. I don't know if any of you guys were actually looking for one of these or not, but they had them on sale. They had the other colors on sale for like 89 bucks each, right? And I really wanted the black one because it kind of goes with my computer case, and I just love black for overall color. Crotch rock is black, truck's black, etc., etc., etc. But the black one was $129 on their site. So I'm like, I looked everywhere online, couldn't find it any cheaper hardly. So what I did, I just clicked, they had a bundle deal, get the black Blue Yeti with, just spaced out, sorry, Assassin's Creed Odyssey, the game, PC game, so microphone, full PC game, fairly new PC game, for $89. I'm like, wait a minute, you mean if I buy the mics separate, just by itself on Amazon, same site, same seller, everything, it's it's $129, but now you'll give me the mic and a game for $89? Well, yeah, of course. So, yeah, picked that up. Got Assassin's Creed Odyssey with it also. Can't beat that. Win-win for everybody. And picked up one of these guys, pop filter, 6-inch pop filter for it. Just help cut down on the pop from the voice, make it sound better. Okay, it's getting to be a long video, got a lot of stuff. But last one, the major one here, I also got the new graphics card. So I went with the RTX 2080 Ti. I had the GTX 1080 Ti, just bought it literally this past winter, so maybe, I don't know, 7 months ago, 8 months ago. And I didn't really use it a whole lot. It was a great card, awesome card. Didn't use it a whole lot, but I wanted something that would do the new, basically all the new special effects, ray tracing, stuff like that. Be a little more future-proof than what the 1080 was, because 1080 is still hanging in there, but for 4K and stuff in the next couple years, it's going to be, especially when you enable ray tracing, it takes a dive, takes a big hit. But this bugger should be able to run everything, high settings, ray tracing, all that stuff. For video editing too, it's got way more CUDA cores, which a lot of programs use for trying to edit videos. So this has like 4,300 and some. I believe the 1080 had, what was it, like 3,000, I think it's 3,000 or right around there, don't quote me. But so this should be a better overall card just for my system and what I want it for. And also, hence, that's part of the reason why I'm going to overclock my CPU, is so that it matches better with the RTX 2080 Ti. So then my overall system should be good for the next, I'd say probably 5 years or so, if I had to guess. So, picked up a good deal on this, found it on the EVGA website. If you go somewhere else, going to cost more money. Now I know this is kind of the base model 2080 Ti, which is still crazy expensive. Crazy expensive. I did not like paying that much money for a graphics card. NVIDIA, if you guys are watching, anybody, try and bring the prices down so more people can buy them, make money in volume rather than just one sale at a time. It's easier to sell 10,000 cards and make less money per card, but gain it up back in volume. That's just my quick opinion on that. But to jump from this up to the next card I was looking at, the Asus Strix 2080 Ti, that bugger was about another $300 more just to get better cooling, better fans, a little better processor speed, stuff like that. And I could not justify the price to performance ratio, what you're going to gain. So I just went with this one. I'll give it a try. Hopefully it works good. We'll see. So, alright, that's a look at what's going to be coming up. Be doing an unboxing video, gameplay videos, all that stuff coming up. So thank you guys for the support. I see my channel's over 1,000 subscribers. That makes me extremely happy. Yeah, and I apologize for not getting a lot of videos out, but I've been busy. And my light just died on my ring light. So that means I've been talking too long and it's time to go. I will see you guys in the near future. Thank you very much for watching. and have a good day.